All righty, we're going to start our webinar. For most of you who know me, I'm Bea Borges. I'm the Regional Territory Manager for Low Chlor Specialty Chemicals. I'm here on behalf of Horner Express Worldwide, and this is summarizing the end of our series, which we're going to have more of low chlor specialty chemicals. Today, we're going to go over unique and easy pool water solutions. And again, I mentioned my name is Bea Borges. I've been with the company for 11 plus years. I'm also a CPO instructor, and I love helping everybody with water chemistry. Some of you all know me, so you know you can always call me or message me, and I help you with your water chemistry. So why use low chlor products? Well, it's a top performing solution since 1989. That's how long we've been in existence. It's a highly effective product, strong blends available. We solve a wide range of pool water needs. We do prevention, problem solving, and enhancement of your pool water. This is what most pool pros use. It's rigorously lab tested and field tested for reliability. It's unmatched to our customer satisfaction. It's made right here in Fort Lauderdale in the USA. Excuse me. Leak repairs and water conservation. Leak sealer. Leak sealer seals minor leaks in most swimming pools and spas. Normally it'll work if you're losing 1 inch of water or less in the pool water per day. You don't need to drain the pool or spa to use it. You put it right in the pool. It's fast acting and it usually works within 24 hours. It's great for sealing in new pools and builds and any repairs that are done. It'll seal any oops that we might have done. One bottle, which is 32 ounces, treats 15,000 gallons. It fixes most leaks for the fraction of a cost of what a leak detection and repair and service will cost you. It might be a temporary fix, and it might help you fix the pool while you can save money for the bigger problem. So we're going to conserve heat and water. Aqua Blanket, it creates a mono-layer technology. It's one molecule deep in the surface. It is not an alcohol base, so you do not see it, taste it, or smell it. You apply the product weekly, and you can bathe right away. You can be, main reason you have to apply it weekly is you have the bathers going in and out, so some of the products goes out with the bathers, or if you have any splashing and all that, it splashes out. Aqua Blanket is safe to use, and you can swim right away after applying it in your pool. Based on an AquaCal heat pump, which you go on the internet, and you can pull these stats. You put in your gallons of pool, you put in how many gallons, and it'll tell you how much of the Aqua Blanket you need. So this is based on a 450 square foot pool, which is approximately a 15,000 gallon pool. With a solar blanket, which is those bubble blankets that we have purchased, you have to put them on the pool, and take them off the pool, you have to store it. It's very encumbersome to use. However, it is the biggest cost savings. So in 1 year, it'll cost you $361.50, and you will save $542. So you see the biggest saving there. With Aqua Blanket, our liquid solar blanket, your cost per year is about $542, but you will save $361. And no blanket at all, your yearly cost is $903. So you can see there, you can either do a solar blanket, take it on and off, Aqua Blanket, liquid blanket, apply it to the pool, or no blanket at all, but you see your cost and your savings here. We're reiterating again about Aqua Blanket. It's an invisible barrier that reduces evaporation in the summer, and it helps you with heat loss in the winter. That's another topic. Evaporation in the summer, especially down here in South Florida and some of our islands, it's very hot. So evaporation does cause a lot of the pools to seem like they're losing or have leaks. They don't. Most of it is evaporation. For the winter months, you extend your swim season and you also save money. You conserve water and energy with one product. It's safe, non-toxic, biodegradable, odorless, tasteless. It's compatible to all sanitizers. And like we mentioned before, 3 ounces will do 500 square feet. It's approximately a 15,000 gallon pool. Apply it to the pool weekly. To preserve chlorine and effectiveness, there's 2 different types of chlorine. You either have unstabilized chlorine or you have stabilized chlorine. Noted here is the unstabilized chlorine that have no cyanuric acid in the product. Sodium hypochlorite, calcium hypochlorite, lithium hypochlorite, and chlorine gas. If you're using one of these, you do need to add an additional product, which is a stabilizer to keep your chlorine in your pool. If you go to a pool and you put chlorine in on Monday and you have no stabilizer, by Tuesday evening, Wednesday morning, that pool will have 0 chlorine in it. So you want to protect the chlorine. And then our 2 stabilized chlorines are trichlor and dichlor. And you have to monitor that also, because as you're using the trichlor and dichlor, your stabilizer is increasing every time you put the product in the pool. So you have to balance it out. So you may want to do trichlor and cal hypo as a combo to help balance out your cyanuric acid. So what is cyanuric acid? Cyanuric acid protects your chlorine from UV rays. Like I mentioned before, it will be evaporated out of the pool with the UV rays. So we need to protect that chlorine that we have put in the pool. Ideal levels on the LSI or any other water chemistry will tell you 30 to 50 parts per million. That's when your chlorine is most effective and working the best in the pool water. State codes like here in Florida, usually 100 parts per million, they will close the commercial pool off. Some of your states and your countries may have certain codes also, but usually 100 parts per million, you're not getting the effective reading of the pool water. The best way to get rid of high cyanuric acid in your pool is to dilute and replace with fresh water. So you need to get it out of the pool. So we here at Low-Chlor have 2 different products to help you with your stabilizer. We have fast dissolving stabilizer. It dissolves quickly and clean. There's no mess on the filters, on the skimmer basket, or on the floor of the pool. It dissolves by the time it's reaching the high depths of the pool. Stabilize all forms of chlorine. It's easy to carry, handle, and transport. It's compatible to salt chlorine generator and all those other chlorine methods that we discussed. 1 pound bag will raise 10 parts per million in a 10,000 gallon pool. So let's say you're firing up a pool and you need to put 30 parts per million stabilizer in the pool. You can easily hand somebody 3 of these bags. They put them in the pool in a 10,000 gallon pool, and it'll raise it 30 parts per million. Easy. Just need a form of cutting the bag and putting it in the skimmer basket. And it won't clog up your skimmer basket. It's really, really cut down very fine. Most homeowners do not like putting stabilizer in their pool because sometimes they have to put a little bit at a time because it clogs up their skimmer basket. We have another product, Easy Pour Stabilizer. This is the same as the previous one, but it's in a liquid form. It reduces, again, your chlorine loss from UV rays. It dissolves instantly and protects immediately. It's ready to use. Safe to use in all pools, all chlorine types, and salt chlorine generators. The 1 gallon jug raises in a 10,000 gallon pool 30 parts per million of the chlorine. You do have to mix it, and it does work. So it depends on how you want to use it. Most homeowners like this for ease. Our next topic here is cleaning and maintenance. This is my colleague's child cleaning their filters in their pool. So for an example like this, you want to make sure that you let the product sit for 10 minutes if the filter's as dirty as these were. And as you can see on the left, they took the filter out. The middle picture, he's starting to spray it. You start seeing it come out, and then he started spraying it with a hose. So it does work. It works great with cartridge filters, DE grids, and it takes the grease and all the junk away. So that's filter and tile cleaner. It's a super non-toxic multi-purpose cleaner. Cleans tiles easily without affecting the water chemistry, so you don't have to worry about the pH going super down. Quickly degreases cartridges, filters, and DE grids, as we showed in the picture previously. And it's great for your entire backyard. You can use it on barbecue grills, patio furniture, tubs, and sinks. It's a full strength, no mixing, just put in the spray spout and go. You can either spray it or soak it. I do have a hotel here on the beach that buys this in 15 gallons, and they soak their cartridges in there once a month. We have a full range of product, full range of pool needs, prevention, problem solving, and enhancement. We do it all. We have some chemicals available in larger packaging. We also have it available in the retail packaging, and the larger packaging for service and our contractors are 5, 15, and 55. So we are the proven solution. At this time, we're going to open everything up for questions, if you want to ask me a question verbally, there's my contact information. You can feel free to call me, WhatsApp me, text me. I do get back to you quickly as possible. This is our leak sealer video. We did a video here in our shop, and it shows you how it will seal up those pipes.
Leak Sealer is a fast-acting product that will seal minor leaks in most swimming pools and spas that are losing up to 1 inch of water per day without having to drain the pool or spa water. The following demonstration will describe how to use Lo-Chlor's Leak Sealer to seal a leak in PVC pipe. Turn the pool pump off. Remove the automatic pool cleaner if applicable. Set the filter on bypass or recirculate. If this feature is not available, remove the cartridge filter. For the purpose of this video, we are adding a capful, 1/2 ounce, to the water tub. Pour leak sealer near the area you suspect to have the leak, or directly into the skimmer. The recommended dosage is 1 quart per 15,000 gallon pool and 1 ounce per 500 gallon spa. Wait 30 minutes and then turn the pump back on. Here you can see a crack in the pipe where water is escaping and dripping down. Over time, the flow of water leaking out will begin to slow down. Leak sealer is encountering air on the other side of the leak. This causes the leak sealer to gel and then mineralize. As a result, the hole will slowly fill with a thick white seal. Leave the pump running for at least 8 hours to give the seal adequate time to harden and mineralize. Check the water level in 24 hours to confirm leak sealer's effectiveness. The crack is now sealed throughout the inside to the outside of the pipe. Leak sealer usually works within 24 hours, but a second application may be required for some leaks. Leak sealer easily fixes minor leaks.
Thank you for joining us, and on behalf of Horner Express Worldwide and Lo-Chlor Specialty Chemicals, we thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.